What the ruckus? What's going on, guys? My name is Kelly, and in today's video we're going to be testing out the GoPro Hero 9's new horizon leveling modes. We're going to be testing it with an FPV drone because FPV drones are not level at all, so that'll be a fantastic test to test it out. Saying test a lot, that's neat. Anyways, I think there are two horizon leveling modes. There's one where you can use horizon leveling with just the standard lens on it, but then you also get another horizon leveling mode that works much better, but you have to have the max lens mod, and I don't have that because GoPro hasn't released it, and who knows if they're ever going to release it. But because the lenses don't have electronic connections, the GoPro has no idea if you actually have the max lens mod on, so you can still use that feature, you just won't have as wide as a field of view. So we're going to use the max lens mod horizon leveling mode, and we're gonna see how well does it work with FPV drones. So let's go fly some drones. Alright, so before we watch this footage, I'm just gonna go ahead and say that it looks like actual garbage. FPV drones and horizon leveling looks so bad. It looks disgusting. So here we go, we're gonna watch some actual doo-doo water. So all of that footage was shot in the max lens mod horizon leveling mode, so it's supposed to always keep the horizon level, and you are supposed to have the max lens mod on, but again, who knows when they're coming out with that. So maybe that's the reason that it looks so bad, is because we didn't actually have the max lens mod on it. But with the other horizon leveling mode where you don't need the max lens mod, it looks just as bad. So here we go, we're gonna watch some more garbage. Alright, so we can clearly see that using horizon locking with FPV drones is completely useless, and you should never do it. I'm gonna end this video with some actual good drone footage because your eyes deserve to see the good stuff after watching the bad stuff. So here we go with the good footage. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
she's really bringing me down.
In my first like 5 or 10 videos, I had my fat cat in all of them, and then I posted one video and the kitty wasn't in it, and a bunch of comments were like, where's the daggum kitty? So I'll just bring you with, because daggum kitty is taking a nap. Hello, daggum kitty. How are you doing? Everybody missed you. Look at them beautiful blue eyes. Meow meow kitty kitty. Ooh, we got the glowing sun. Ooh ooh ooh. Speaking of glowing sun, should I try out that new moment, what is that thing called? That new moment filter? What is that? The diffusion, the Cine Bloom. Should I try out Moment's new Cine Bloom filter? Let me know in the comments below. Today's lesson, we learned not to use horizon locking with FPV because it does this. I'm gonna insert a video of it looking weird. It's all like